Did you know that almost 40% of IELTS writing task to candidates lose marks just because of poor essay structure, not bad ideas? If you've ever written an essay and thought, I gave great examples, so why did I still get band 6.5? This video is your answer. Today, I'll show you the exact band 9 structure for an opinion essay, step by step, so you can write clear, logical, and examiner-approved essays every single time. Stay till the end, because I'll reveal a real band 9 sample paragraph that you can model in your next exam. Welcome back to the channel. I'm your IELTS mentor, helping you reach your dream score one video at a time. If you're preparing for IELTS Writing Task 2, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon because every week I share proven templates, vocabulary, and examiner tips that actually work. Alright, let's dive in. First things first, what is an opinion essay in IELTS Writing Task 2? It asks the type of question where you re-ask something like, do you agree or disagree? To what extent do you agree or disagree? Or what is your opinion? In this essay type, you must take a clear position and maintain it throughout the entire essay. The examiner is checking three key things: if your opinion is clear, if your ideas are logically developed, and if your essay flows smoothly from one point to the next. So remember this golden rule: choose one side and defend it with logic, not emotion. So, let's break down the perfect band 9 structure for an opinion essay. First up is the introduction, which should only be 2 sentences long. The first sentence paraphrases the question. The second sentence gives your clear opinion. For example, if the question is some people believe that online learning is better than traditional classroom education, your introduction could be, it is argued that digital education provides a superior learning experience compared to traditional classroom settings. In my opinion, while both methods have benefits, online learning offers greater flexibility and accessibility for students. It's simple, concise, and your opinion is 100% clear. Next, we have body paragraph 1, where you present your first main reason. Start with a topic sentence like, one key reason why online learning is more effective is that it provides flexibility for students with busy schedules. Then, you explain it. This allows learners to study at their own pace and revisit lessons as needed, which is not always possible in a traditional classroom. Finally, add a specific example. For instance, working professionals can balance their careers and education through online courses such as Coursera or Udemy. A quick tip here: always connect your idea, explanation, and example smoothly using linking words like, for example, as a result, or this means that. Now for body paragraph 2. Here, you have two options. You can either give another strong reason supporting your opinion, or you can acknowledge the opposite side and then refute it, which shows a more balanced argument. For example, you could write, some argue that classroom learning is better because it encourages face-to-face interaction. While this is true, modern online platforms now offer live sessions and discussion forums that replicate classroom communication effectively. See how that sounds balanced but keeps your main opinion consistent and strong. Finally, the conclusion. Keep it short and powerful. All you need to do is restate your opinion and summarize your main points. For instance, in conclusion, although traditional education has certain benefits, I strongly believe that online learning provides more opportunities for personalized and flexible education, making it a more effective approach overall. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid. Mistake number 1, changing your opinion halfway through the essay. Examiners hate confusions your stance and stay with it. Mistake number 2 is writing too much background information. Go straight to your argument. IELTS isn't testing your general knowledge, it's testing your communication skills. The third mistake is using informal language. You should replace phrases like I think with more formal alternatives like I believe or it is my view that. And the final mistake to avoid is not linking your paragraphs properly. You must use connectors like moreover, furthermore, in contrast, or as a result to maintain cohesion and guide the examiner smoothly through your argument. Okay, as promised, here's how a band 9 sample paragraph looks in action. One compelling reason why online education is superior lies in its accessibility. Students from remote regions can access world-class lectures and materials without the need to relocate. This democratization of education empowers learners from all socioeconomic backgrounds, ensuring that equal opportunities for success are more widely available. Notice how it's concise, logical, and full of academic tone. That's the band 9 quality you're aiming for. And there you have it, tour. Band 9 opinion essay structure explained, step by step. If you found this useful, do me a quick favor. Comment below. I'm ready for band 9. Also, please like this video, subscribe for more IELTS lessons every week, and share this with a friend who's struggling with writing task 2. Remember, structure gives power to your ideas. Master this format and you're already halfway to your dream score. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.